Welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a simple trip to Trader Joe's and turning it into a creative adventure. I'll be showing you how to gather, prep, and arrange fresh flowers into a stunning spring centerpiece using easy, professional florist techniques. Whether you're sprucing up your home or setting the table for a special occasion, these simple tricks will take your floral styling to the next level. So let's get started. The first step to a gorgeous arrangement, choose the right flowers. Trader Joe's always has a great selection of fresh blooms at budget-friendly prices. To create a balanced design, I would recommend the following. Look at these gorgeous spring tulips. If you're new to design, making your choices can be very overwhelming. I would start with a flower that catches your eye, like these beautiful multicolor spring tulips that I'm gathering. I'm going to take these and start to look for some flowers that I want to use at the base of the arrangement that will provide more of a solid foundation and also help to fill our container so that it's easier for us to stabilize the rest of our flowers. You can see that this color of the pinkish purple or the yellow would be two choices, and both of these colors are within the tulip. I finally decide on the bright pink carnations. Let's head over to the greenery section. Trader Joe's usually has these two types of eucalyptus, a Dollar Tree eucalyptus and a spiral eucalyptus, which is what I'm showing you now. These are both good fillers to fill up some space in the container, helping you create a more pleasing design. They also bring in a nice fresh smell to your arrangement. And now we want to look for our main focal flower. I've decided on these roses that have a beautiful large head, and one in particular actually has the colors of the flowers that we've already chosen. If you look closely, they have the pink and the yellow and a little bit of an orange tone to them, so I think they'll be perfect. So here is the collection of flowers that we've gathered. And you can see how pretty the colors are going together. Next up, we'll be talking about how to process these when you get home and create this gorgeous spring arrangement. In a crisscross shape where the stems are crossing each other, along with some of our solidago, the yellow flower, we've crossed the stems across each other underneath the water line, and that's going to help build a foundation. Now we're going to take 4 of our carnations, cut shorter where they're just an inch or so above the lip of the container, and we're going to put them in the container in a triangle shape with one kind of down in the middle. And you can see we have the solidago and the eucalyptus interspersed around and between the carnation, and this is our beginning shape. Now it's time to add our roses. We're going to start out by placing those at a little bit different heights from each other, which is what we did with the carnations. We don't want everything exactly the same length or height. This will give us a lot more interest in our design. I'm placing 3 of the roses kind of around and between the carnations. And now I'm coming back in with some more of the yellow solidago, kind of filling in between our blooms a little bit better. And now we're going to add our hypericum berries. I'm picking the little tiny leaves off from around the berries. That is what will give you the longest lasting berry within your design. And I'm going to place them kind of across the design from side to side, almost dividing the design in half and keeping them a little bit taller than the rest of the flowers. There you have it, a simple yet stunning spring floral centerpiece. I hope this inspires you to pick up some flowers today and create your own. Remember, flower arranging is all about experimenting and having fun. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more floral and styling tips. Drop a comment below and let me know if you're going to try this. And happy arranging!